Hello all, we are in Rangdum and we reached here today at around 10:30 a.m. We took our own nice time to assemble our bicycles, check them correctly, and after we had rested a bit, when we checked our heart rates, everyone was pumping their heart at rest above 90. Like Kedar and me were above 100 and Supriya and Munna were above 80. So the thing about acclimatization is when your body is at rest, your oxygen levels are to be maintained above 95 blood oxygen levels, and your heart rate should be somewhere between 75 and 85. This is what is called correct acclimatization. If your oxygen levels are above 95 but at rest your heart rate is above 110, your heart is taking too much effort to maintain oxygen levels. You are not acclimatized.
We are bringing our bags on like the first floor here, and then that's when you realize that it's not the same at the sea level and at this height. And
Oh.
I was certainly breathless.
Supriya sir, did you feel the thinned air at this altitude?
Yes, when I felt that I have to breathe more to be relaxed. And when we unloaded our bicycles and the luggage, at that point of time it felt, if you exert more, it's a little bit empty.
Okay.
It's about 90 still,
Okay.
90 to 95.
ओके मुन्ना सर आपको बेटर लग रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे अभी बेटर लग रहा है। मुझे सवेरे जब हम लोग यहाँ पे आए ना तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, लेकिन जब सामान वामान निकाले फिर लंच के बाद मुझे थोड़ा ब्रेथ हेवी लगने लगा। जब रूम में आए ना तो ब्रेथ हेवी लगना, फिर खिड़की उड़की खोली तो थोड़ा बेटर हुआ। फिर उसके बाद जब हम सोए, सोने के बाद जो मुझे रिलैक्स लगा, माइंड ब्लोइंग। अभी मैं फ्रेश हूँ, भले हार्ट रेट थोड़ा सा ऊपर है लेकिन मैं मेंटली फ्रेश फील कर रहा हूँ।
So this is because Munna sir, we are almost at the altitude of the Razdan Pass, which was 11,600. So
When we were at Rajasthan, no, we actually spent very less time at Rajasthan because Kedar was already suffering from AMS. So we crossed Rajasthan in like less than 15 minutes and we were dropping altitude. But here we are sustaining that altitude.
अच्छा, इसके लिए मेरे को ज़्यादा ये हो रहा था।
बराबर इसके लिए शायद ये हो रहा है।
हाँ, और अभी सोने के बाद थोड़ा बॉडी मेरा रिलैक्स हो गया, क्योंकि क्या मैंने नोटिस किया, क्या बताएगा, जब हम लोग आए ना तो तब तक तो मैं बहुत एकदम फुल चार्ज था, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम होने की वजह से मेरा बॉडी ना एकदम ऐसा ड्रेन हो गया था, कुछ ऐसा एकदम ऐसा लूज लगने लगा था।
जैसे केदार बता रहे, आप भी जब भी स्टेप्स चढ़ रहे थे आपको भी जल्दी सांस में
जल्दी सांस चढ़ रही थी मुझे, और सांस चढ़ने के बाद में फिर ऐसा हो रहा था।
So Kedar,
Yes.
you have already had one bout of AMS.
Yes.
Tomorrow we will be gaining altitude to reach around 15,000 feet.
Yes.
And how are you feeling right now?
I'm slightly nervous, like because one person suffers, then everybody has to kind of stay with that person. Like Aditya, you told me, like even if it takes 10 days to recover, we'll spend that and then we'll move on. So that is something that gave me the support, and I recovered faster maybe.
I would still say slow and steady in the Himalayas, because the breathing, we are gaining altitude, we'll gain almost 3,000 feet tomorrow, but we will have to have a slow and steady approach so that we reach successfully at Benzila top.
When we were seeing Google Maps from wherever we were yesterday at Parkachik, Rangdum to Panzila top was 26 kilometers. But today, when we inquired locally, they have tarred the road, but now the length has become 32 kilometers. So, to take an advantage of more time in our hand, आई थिंक द अर्लियर वी लीव अपने को ज्यादा टाइम मिलेगा स्लो चलाने को.
अगर हम लोग जितना अर्ली निकलेंगे ना, हम लोग उतना कम बात करेंगे तो उतना टायर्डनेस कम होगी.
I think that's a great idea because you know the sun here is very harsh. You know it feels very cool with the breeze, but you know at the same time you get a burns on your skin. I could feel the dryness on my skin, and we applied the ghee from the ghee man.
अभी तक जो भी सामान लाया हूँ उसमें सिर्फ मैंने अभी तक शूज यूज नहीं किए, क्योंकि मैंने सबसे कम सामान लाया हूँ अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. लेकिन उसमें मैंने सिर्फ शूज ही यूज नहीं किए, बाकी सब चीज यूज कर लिया.
लेकिन क्या लगता है अब यूज नहीं करोगे?
अभी कल यूज करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो पैर में बर्फ जम जाएगी.
The weight of your luggage is not important. The essentiality of your luggage is important. I know our both rooms are in a mess. There is no electricity. We've been using our power banks to charge, and they are drained. And we're gonna need fully charged power banks tomorrow. So we will rest. Maybe one night's sleep will acclimatize us more than we are acclimatized today. Let's see what the Himalayas has in store for us. Thank you so much. Good morning. Chalo, the outdoors are waiting.